Now here there is a quantity which is associated to the phenomena of the self-induction, which is called the coefficient of self-induction, or simply it is called the self-inductance of a coil. Symbol of the self-inductance or coefficient of self-induction is capital L. Now what is this? We are going to see. Suppose this is the I current flowing in the coil at any time, the current I flowing in the coil at any time, and due to this current the flux start linked with the coil at that particular time. So phi is the magnetic flux linked with all turns of the coil. So experimentally it was found, if you will increase the value of I, the magnetic flux also increases. It means phi and I both are directly proportional to each other. When you will remove this proportionality sign, a constant come in the expression which is called L. What is this L? Now this L is called the coefficient of self-induction or self-inductance of coil. Always remember, self-induction is a phenomena, but self-inductance is a quantity, physical quantity. And this self-inductance of a coil, this is related to coil only. It depends on the following factors. First, it is directly proportional to number of turns of coil. If the number of turns of the coil increases, then value of L also increases. Area of cross section of the coil, so it is proportional to area of cross section of the coil also. And nature of material of core, that means air or iron. Core means what? Suppose if you have taken this kind of coil, so what is inside it? Air only. So this is air core. If you will insert an iron bar in this turn, so that is called the iron core of the solenoid. So it depends upon the nature of material of the core of the coil. Now if I suppose that I is equal to 1 ampere. So if I am taking phi I is equal to 1 ampere, then phi will be equal to I, and we can say that L is equal to the amount of flux linked with the coil for current of 1 ampere flows. Okay, so when the current 1 ampere flows in a coil, then L is numerically equal to the flux linked with the coil. Now induced EMF expression we are going to find out, and in terms of induced EMF, what is the formula of L? So we know that from the Faraday's law, minus d phi over dt. Substitute value of phi, that is L into I from here. Okay, now L is constant because it is a property of the substance, so it will be taken of the outside the differentiation, and now I is continuously varying, so that is why you will write it di over dt. What is this? Rate of change of current. This is called the rate of change of current I. Okay, so from here you have got another formula of the L, that is L is equal to minus E upon di over dt, and its SI unit of the self inductance is Henry, and it is denoted by capital H sign.